Blackpink's Jennie sues fake father, court drops ruling. He has been ordered to destroy his book. A South Korean court has ruled in favor of Blackpink's Jennie in a legal dispute over a book falsely claiming she is the biological daughter of the author. The court ordered all copies of the publication to be destroyed, stating that the book constituted a violation of Jennie's privacy and spread false information. On May 9, 2025, the Goyang branch of the Uijeongbu District Court sided with Jennie in a lawsuit she filed against a man identified as Mr. A and his publishing company. Jennie had requested a ban on the distribution of the book, which falsely alleged a familial relationship between her and the author. The court ruled that Mr. A must delete all related posts containing such claims from platforms including KakaoTalk, social media, and websites, and is barred from sharing similar content in the future. He is also prohibited from giving interviews to media outlets on the subject. During the trial, Mr. A continued to insist that he was Jennie's biological father. However, Jennie's legal team submitted an official family registry identifying a third party as her legal father. The court accepted this evidence and rejected Mr. A's claim. This legal battle stems from a controversy that first gained public attention in August 2024, when Korean media outlet Job Post published an article about Mr. A, revealed to be PD Kim Hung-jin and his eighth long-form novel. Though Kim is a known TV producer and filmmaker, the article drew controversy by stating he was Blackpink Jennie's biological father. It also claimed his new novel, World Informant literal translation, was based on real experiences from Jennie's life, spanning her early trainee days to her current global stardom. The book also featured fictional narratives involving Jennie and singer Psy participating in AI simulations at a global center. In December 2024, Jennie's agency publicly warned fans of false publications and fake news spreading online. Mr. Kim had also described himself as a former terrestrial network PD, an independent filmmaker active in Japan and the US, and the illegitimate child of a conglomerate founder, claims that fueled further skepticism. Jennie, who has always maintained her privacy, has previously shared in interviews that she was raised solely by her mother. The recent ruling reinforces her stance against misinformation and protects her from further reputational damage. Jennie Kim wins case against fake dad. The 19th of June, Jennie Kim has recently won her lawsuit against an imposter claiming to be her biological father. According to Korean magazine Women's Sense, the ruling was actually made back on the 9th of June by the Uijeongbu District Court, with the judge finding that the man's claims to be the Blackpink member's real father were unsubstantiated. It is noted that Jennie's team filed a lawsuit after the man revealed last year that he has published a novel with the assistance of AI and that the novel was based on a true story about Jennie. He also claimed to be a former producer for a TV network and a director who made independent films in Japan and the US. Referring to the said man and his publisher, the court stated, there is no other evidence besides the defendant's own assertions that the man is the plaintiff's biological father, as opposed to the plaintiff's certificate of family relations, which lists a different individual as her father. The court has also ordered the man and his publishing company to destroy all existing copies of the book. He was also banned from mentioning anything related to Jennie on his KakaoTalk and other personal social media accounts. Blackpink Jennie wins legal battle against man who falsely claimed to be her father. Given her immense popularity, it's no surprise that everyone wants a piece of Jennie's Jennie fame. Some would even claim to have a personal relationship to the Blackpink BLACKPINK member, like this man who claimed to be her father. Yesterday, the 18th of June 2025, Wednesday, the, like Jennie, singer won the lawsuit against a man who had claimed to be her father. The man also previously published a book alleging their relationship. The South Korean court ruled that all the information spread was untrue, later instructing that all related publications be destroyed to stop further misinformation. This case began back on the 30th of August 2024, when the Korean publisher released his eighth novel, reportedly called World Informant. It featured the idol's name and picture on the cover, fiercely claiming that he was Jennie's biological father. It mentioned that Jennie and another Korean singer had conducted simulations at an AI robot camera global center. With the assistance of AI, he claimed this was the true story of Jennie, writing about her childhood up until her trainee days. According to Korean publication Woman's Sense, on the 9th of May 2025, the Uijeongbu District Court Goyang branch ruled that everything the publisher said was baseless. There is no supporting evidence for the defendant's claim aside from his own statements, the court added. Meanwhile, the plaintiff's official family registry clearly identifies another man as her father. It is therefore reasonable to conclude that the defendant's claim is untrue. The man is now prohibited from mentioning Jennie on social media or in interviews. Furthermore, he was told by the court that he is to destroy all existing copies of the novel. Even though the court understood the violation of Jennie's rights, the case didn't involve any property claims. The defendants were ordered to cover all legal costs. This incident prompted the court to highlight the legal consequences of spreading misinformation and impersonating public figures. The case also brings up the misuse of AI, noting that as it becomes more accessible, more people can easily create deceptive content.